So our masters chose the word Ananda, Sat, Chit, Ananda, joy from all the sides, in all the conditions, in every situation, in every state of the mind, in anger and agitation, that permanent happiness still exists. No, but I don't see it. PMP is not done. PMP is not fulfilled. So all of our stress and depression belongs to that. Yes, look at it, work on it and see. It is. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Bring your mind on the right hand, same space in the right hand. Just we need that awareness, nothing else. Left hand, raising your palms into the same field of awareness, placing it on your eyes into the same field of awareness. And we are that. Not what we are doing, bring the hands down. We'll share our experiences now. How are you, Kate?
I don't have words.
No words? Very good.
I don't have words. Yeah. It's
Very
different.
good. Different. Very good. How are you, Stephen and Sam?
Real good. I was thoroughly absorbed in contemplation and reflection throughout that meditation. Sitting in a very dark space of calmness and happiness, and I just feel good.
Beautiful, beautiful. Let the time come. This dark space converts into a pure lightness, light, pure light, all the time. How are you, Sam?
Good. Very, very quiet space. I noticed just with my body a lengthening sensation throughout the meditation. Didn't put too much value into it, but that's just what it was, and it was very peaceful.
Very peaceful. Nobody moved the body. That was quite surprising. Not so. No. Why should I say surprising? To all our seekers. How are you, David and Jerry? I'm sorry.
Very, very deep, quiet, simple. So much so at the end, I was so absorbed I didn't lift my hands up to cover my eyes.
That's good.
Yeah, no, it was very good.
Very good. You see the sense of self-absorption. It gives us a feel, yes, happiness is inside. Leave aside. As if your intellect is saying, mind, don't be crazy from today.
No
But
sense of time.
Yeah. Go ahead, David.
Oh, no sense of time, I said.
No sense of time. And how are you, Jerry?
Sir, I'm good. Just a keen awareness of the space and how the space just is, and things come and go in the space, including the body and the thoughts. But the space is just vast, open space.
Beautiful, beautiful. How are you, Vaibhav?
That was really good, very peaceful and quiet.
Very peaceful and quiet. Very good. How are you, Ashok?
Good, sir. Very
Good.
quiet and peaceful.
Very good. Good. And now comes Terry. How are you?
I had an experience of just awareness of the different, with the thoughts, the lack of thoughts, the space, the distractions, my thought about the distraction, wanting that to go, not even be, wanting there not to be distractions. And then realize the feeling that they're all equal. Awareness of the body, awareness of the distractions, my feelings about the distractions. And I just wanted to go farther into the space to get away from all that.
That's a good expression. You see, I'm speaking, lips are moving, throat is working, hands are working, eyes are looking at all of you. But it is happening in the presence of one space, and that space, I said, extraordinary awareness. And that awareness is the knower, not the known. And that knower is the real self. That real self is the source of joy, peace from all the sides. Any question? Those who did not attend the session, they are missing it. Let them miss. They have more urgent works to do. Yes. Any question? Think of this. Go to the ultimate source of the peace. And I entitled millions of things to enjoy in the world, but joy is present in all of them. Now you have to correct this phrase. That is all.
Namaste, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.